Yes, it's actually true. I lost over $1,200 in one single hour with Shopify dropshipping. Welcome back, my friends and my enemies. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a story in which I lost $1,200 in just one single hour. Now, how could I possibly do this? Don't you worry, I will share every little detail. Now, before jumping into today's video, I wanted to do a giveaway. Somebody who comments below and lets me know what they thought about this video is going to win. A random person is going to win free access to Dropshipping Perfection 2.0. It's a step-by-step program that takes you through everything you need to know for Shopify dropshipping. So if you want to be entered into that giveaway, make sure you comment below and let me know your thoughts about this video. So it all began one day as I was scaling a winning product. You see, I was doing about $5,000, $6,000 a day in revenue, and I had been doing that revenue for about 4 or 5 days. So I decided to scale. Nothing out of the ordinary. Love to scale. Money is cool. But what I decided to do was scale with manual bidding. Nothing wrong with manual bidding, one of the best ways to scale at high volume, but for some reason I decided to scale with a very high bid. There is definitely a process to manual bidding, and I've taken some of my biggest products to my highest days with manual bidding, and it is a great resource and a great tool. But we all learn as we're going through the process and testing and being persistent, so I actually started the bid at about 4 times what I was getting as a cost per purchase, and I set the budget at $2,000. Now here's where the problem occurred. That day, I was actually going to the beach, sat out on the beach, got fried, and just kind of checked my phone here and there, had Shopify notifications all over the place, but decided to lay down and relax. Fell asleep. Not only did I get sunburned, but I got an urge to go upstairs and check on my ads. So we had driven to the beach, laid on the beach for a while. It had probably been about 7 hours since my ads had actually launched that morning. So that's when it happened. I went into my ads manager and saw that I had a $1,250 cost per purchase. I wasn't paying attention to my ads, and my bid was just too high for the interest I was running it to. On the bright side, I made a sale, but the sale was for like $50. So I really only lost like $1,200. Not super profitable. Definitely not my brightest moment. So the moral of the story here is, when you're massively scaling Facebook ads, don't go to the beach for the day. And if you do, make sure that you check your ads every few hours. If you're spending thousands of dollars a day on Facebook ads, you need to be more careful than I was. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you don't lose $1,200 in one single day. Don't forget, if you want to be entered in the giveaway for Dropshipping Perfection 2.0, make sure you comment below what you thought about this video, and you will automatically be entered into the giveaway. That's it for this video, guys. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in the next video.